Want to quickly create video ads for your Amazon products? In this video, we'll show you how to easily transform an Amazon product URL into a professional, eye-catching video using Vidao, the best AI video generator. Marketers and marketing agencies, e-commerce, games, apps, finance, real estate, and education industries. Perfect for sellers, affiliates, and marketers. Vidao simplifies video creation and helps you showcase your products on platforms like Amazon, YouTube, TikTok, and more. So friends, let's explore its features. So first of all, you have to come to Vidao AI website. You will find the link in the description and sign in with your Google ID for free. And then just simply click on the Get Started button. After this, you can see the interface of the Vidao AI website, and the first tool is the URL to the video. So friends, you have to enter your product link to generate amazing video or ad like Amazon, Shopify, eBay, and more. You can upload it here. For example, I want to create ad for this Amazon product, so simply just click on the link and copy the URL and go to the website and paste the URL here. And just simply click on the Generate a Video. After this, you can see how much time Vidao saved for us. Here, you will find the product name and product description media automatically generated by Vidao. If you want to edit something here, you can do it. After this, you have to select your language. I select English. Select Accept Ratio for your choice. After this, you have to select the length of the video. Then you have to select the object, like you want video views. Then simply click or the Generate Video. After processing, you can see our video ad is ready.
Step into the spotlight. CME's 10% vitamin C serum right.
With this, you can customize your video by clicking this button. You can edit it as per your choice. Also, you can change your avatar by clicking here. You can see many avatars here, like you want male avatar or female avatar for your video ad. You can select it for your choice. Also, you can change background by clicking here for your video, and script of your ad you want to set your avatar. And you can change background music for your choice. Here is our final video. You can see.
Step into the spotlight. CME's 10% vitamin C serum brightens and rejuvenates your skin, melting away dark spots and minimalizing lines. This isn't just skincare, it's your secret weapon for a radiant glow. Transform your routine today.
That's amazing. Right after this, you can simply render your video. So guys, our next tool is Description to Video. All you need just simply have to select your product name, product description, and media. For example, I will enter the product name, product description here, and select a media for my ad like this pen. After this, you can select a language accept ratio, length of the video, and object, and then simply click on the Generate. Vidao. Simply generate description to video and save your time. After this, you can see our video is ready.
Why settle for ordinary? The Scrivener Chrome fountain pen.
So, friends, as I told you, if you want to customize anything in this, then you can do it by clicking on Edit button, like script, avatars, background music, and then just simply render your video. Is that simple? Show my lovely friends here. You can also create your own avatar by dropping your image and video picture per your choice, like dynamic avatar. 4K background removal here is video. You can see how it's work.
Find a quiet environment for filming. You can set up the phone for filming. Hold it for filming. Shoot while standing, sitting, and walking. Before starting to speak, close your mouth according to the countdown on the page and then start speaking according to the scrolling prompts on the page. Hello everyone, I am currently recording my digital human training material. During this speech, keep your articulation clear and strong. Mistakes are allowed, but do not stop or interrupt. Do not cover the area around your mouth. Your head should not turn to the side or leave the frame. Use some general non-specific hand gestures. After completing the 1 to 5 main speech, stop the recording and click Confirm.
Also, you can see lots of AI avatar templates here. You can use for your choice. So friends, if you want to remove background for your images, here you can find Background Removal tool. Here, you have to drag the image whose background you want to remove, and just click on Start Drawing, and the background of your photo will be removed. You can see here. So my lovely friends, this is how you can remove the background of any of your images by using Video with just one click. So friends, Video next tool is Watermark Subtitles Removal. Here you simply have to drag the video whose watermark you want to remove. For example, I select a video which has watermark you can see. So friends, we are going to remove the watermark of this video. Let's see how it works. So, friends, you have to simply select the language of your watermark and click on Generate Video. After this, you can see this is a result video whose watermark has been removed by VidAU. So, friends, our next tool is Text-to-Speech. Friends, all you have to do, just select your language, like I select English, for example, and then select the voice of your character as per your choice. And here you can write whatever text you want. For example, I write this text. Now the video will convert it into text-to-speech, you see.
Ladies and gentlemen, today, I stand before you as an embodiment of innovation, an artificial intelligence designed to assist, inform, and inspire.
So friends, the next tool is Video Subtitle Translate. All you have to do is just drag your video.
Time to unbox my new household toolkit.
And then select Original Language and translate language what you want. And you can choose subtitles for your choice, and then just click the Generate a Video after this. You can see, and subtitles is ready.
To unbox my new household toolkit, TikTok made me to buy it. Perfect for home improvement tasks, repairs, and creative DIY projects, this versatile tool offers precision, power, and convenience in one compact design.
Show my lovely friends, Video. Link is in description now. Use it now for free. Just go and sign in, and also use the coupon code to get 15% discount off. Try Video now. So friends, this was it in this video. I will meet you in the next video with a new amazing AI tool for you. Till then, take care.